Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of egg roast. Come, let's cook. In a kadai, add 5 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, thinly chopped garlic and ginger. Take about small piece of ginger and 8 numbers of garlic. Cook for 1 minute. Now add finely chopped onions. I have taken about 5 onions. Mix it. Add about 5 chilies. Add salt as per taste and cook for about 10 minutes on low flame. Just saute it. After that, add about 1 tomato. Add some curry leaves. Again cook for 5 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally. Tomatoes and onions have been completely sauteed. So now we can add the spices. Add about 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. And again cook it for about 5 minutes. Add some water to it and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the boiled eggs. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes and switch off the flame. The tasty egg roast is ready.